So you see, this promotion about it a tape, Gaza and a rape, it is traumatizing the fucking rape victims. Them not
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.
The crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who I get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better figure drop and gun. Me want start a night at done. Them a try to beat me. The pussy
You understand? One judge. Clubber TV. I'm ready for charge for rape already.
oh, brother, all right, listen to this. This man you jump up and say, me see my dip on a promotion. Brother, somebody the text in typing out the messages say, yo, why you don't swim? Me not gonna be public enemy without a song.
True.
Me have to have a song first. Cause guess what? The actor where they are England when at the show, him get charged. I don't think that, I'm not saying that he's guilty or he's not guilty, but I'm saying you did a video saying Gaza and a rape, and the man get charged for rape the next whenever. So you see, this promotion about it a tape, Gaza and a rape, it is traumatizing the fucking rape victims. Them no want to hear it.
True.
It's reminding them of being raped.
Yeah, being a man.
What is wrong with you, my guy?
True.
Every day you get about it a tape, Gaza and a rape. Who the fuck is it stopping anyone from being raped? No. You need to address the situation intelligently. So listen to me. Listen to me. I say, child, the man need to address the situation properly instead of try to style DEVABRATT for years or try to make DEVABRATT no one like people no want to see DEVABRATT because you're saying that and you know a DEVABRATT you attack, so you feel like the people now go on support DEVABRATT. But you're traumatizing the rape victims and you are a person that make victims. You made victims.
Wow.
You made victims and you did the attack, but what are you trying to fucking do, bro?
Wow.
Bro, ask Westchester, go ask Westchester. Who are the biggest girls in Westchester? A 7, 8, and 12 and 11 girl me live with in my life. Already in my one house. So when I style DEVABRATT as this and that, the Westchester people them know. People who know me, people who come visit me and come see 7 and 10 and 8 women in my house with me. And this are after them say. Them argument there. So you can imagine before. I remember said Bumblewall, Mr. Freak tell. Me used to sell one thing when the blue pill them. Viagra. A phone artist done them.
Guys, may I be going to tap up the screen for
a phone artist done the bumper Viagra them when me used to sell.
Tap up the screen, share the live for me, please, guys. Please, may I be going to tap up the screen.
Phone artist, Mr. King. Him done my bumper clock. Viagra them when me used to sell. Remember that.
I want to ask you a very important question. Are you was a close friend of Lizard?
And me put Lizard in the empire. DEVABRATT put Lizard. Every single person will say put more empire and my strength. Otherwise from when the recording them start, him start take control over the thing.
So
as you can see,
the reason why I asked you that if you was a close friend of Lizard, do you think that Lizard is just then I want like a small island to relax and a cool out and drink some coconut water in a hotel with a nice fat front girl or relax or something, or is nowhere to be found at this moment?
tell him video call me.
Jesus Christ.
And he must the way all if Lizard hear the song will say letter from L, he would have called me already. I say, yo, what my dog?
Yo, me a person I ask some very weird question, and I just said, oh, no, Deborah. A lot of people are going to bash me and this and thing, but guess what? Lizard was a major member of the Portmore Empire to go to the Gaza. Like he's a loyal person, or him and everybody good, and you know what I mean? Him He's just a man around the whole Portmore and Gaza Empire bill as a dancer. Because I know him as a dancer. Me know this a personal, you know, he's a St. Mary youth.
Yeah.
See? Me know it's a St. Mary come from. He have family at St. Mary. Me know him family and everything. See? But what I want to know, do you believe say, actually what go down with the whole world I say, and I say right now, say, Lizard can't be fine because these persons actually do what they do to the youth.
The law say, the law free them. It's not my business, but all me know say, if Lizard did hear the song we say Letter from Hell,
You gonna call
I
him?
call me and say, what a song.
Okay.
That's all me say.
That answer the question.
That's all.
That answer the question. That really answer the question. Yo, that's what, yo, father. John was that.
And guess what? And in the same breath, if it was a case that DEVABRATT did rape or did do anything with them, I say, me couldn't be a foreign, me couldn't be a upon alive here right now.
Believe me, trust me, we know America run. And when it comes to rape charge in America or any child abuse or anything, if you even slap your kid and the neighbor call the police, you can go to prison. They can actually take your kids away from you. We know all that run in America. That's a totally different thing.
Thank you.
Yes, you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, we know all that run. Totally different tsunami in America. Yes. So when time I see these people come out the other day, even forward for my life, you know, Deborah, the person forward for my life bring a female over here. And the female can tell you, say, yes, you have a rape charge in America. So me I say, but me never give in and believe, because guess what? They only plan to come and bring them alive. That's what they was trying to do.
Yeah.
So they did like the 10 step ahead of them. And that's why listen, say, guess what? Bam, reach out to DEVABRATT. But, you know, a family, reach out to them wife so we can do this, so we can interact with some people. So me I say, I want thing me can tell you, say, we as Jamaican and we as black people, we don't unite. You understand me? Because guess what? We have a person that we love and we respect.
Pull up. One TV and a Clubber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
You understand? One child. Clubber TV. And where the fuck them feel like your body not real life. And where the fuck them I think, or if you violate the link. You understand? One child. Clubber TV. And where the fuck them feel like your body not real life. And where the fuck them I think, or if you violate the link and think on the ship now go sink.